Friends of Thailand, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the online celebration of Thailand's National Day on 5th December 2020. This year 2020 is an exceptional year for all of us. The sudden outbreak of COVID-19 has created a profound impact to the international community and completely changes the way we live. To demonstrate our strong collaboration with the Portuguese government to control the pandemic, sadly, Thailand's National Day has no choice but to be celebrated online. Ladies and gentlemen, December 5th marks the birthday anniversary of His Majesty the late King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand, whose legacy, especially His Majesty's sufficiency economy philosophy, continues to be the guiding principle of our national development programs. We are also happy that the programs have been shared with over 20 developing countries as a practical approach to achieving the United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals. To commemorate His Majesty's lifelong work, the 5th of December also marks the World Soil Day, declared by the United Nations General Assembly to acknowledge His Majesty the late King's initiative advocating to the importance of sustainable management of soil resource. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the year 2020, Thailand has been performing quite well amidst the pandemic. Thailand is ranked number 1 on the US News and World Reports chart of the best countries to start a business for the second consecutive year since 2019. We are outstanding in offering world-class healthcare and wellness services. This is emphasized by rankings of Johns Hopkins University report that placed Thailand at the 6th best among 195 countries providing strongest health security, the only developing country ranked among the top 10 and the first among Asian countries. And as sustainable development remains at the heart of our policy, we are also so proud that Thailand is ranked in the first place in Southeast Asia and number 41 from 166 countries by the Sustainable Development Report 2020 and the SDG Index 2020. Last but not least, recently the World Health Organization praised Thailand for being a successful model for COVID-19 containment with less than 5,000 infected cases and 60 deaths nationwide. This fact encourages us to continue our path to project ourselves as the world-class medical tourism destination. For next year, we look forward to more top-notch international rankings with the boost of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, or RCEP, recently signed in Vietnam this year. The agreement, initiated by the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, will inject a new momentum along with potential opportunities into the region, accounting around 30% of the world population and global economy. Ladies and gentlemen, the bonds of friendship between Thailand and Portugal can be traced back over 500 years ago to the time of Thailand's Ayutthaya period and Portugal's King Manuel I in the 16th century, the longest relations Thailand has ever had with a Western country. The Sala Thai in Belling Park is the witness of our 500 years relationship, a gift from Thailand to Portugal in 2012. Last year, we also celebrated our 160 years anniversary of the official establishment of diplomatic relations. Our strong commitment to further strengthen our ties was emphasized by the visit of His Excellency Mr. Don Paramatvinay, Foreign Minister of Thailand to Portugal on 17 to 19 December last year. During the visit, both sides reiterated our commitment to develop bilateral cooperation, support multilateralism, and give renewed impetus to our economic relations. On the economic front, as this year's trade was dampened by the pandemic, we do hope that next year our bilateral trade will return to where we were in 2019, when trade between Thailand and Portugal grew more than 36%. During the past 10 years, we are also delighted to witness the increase in number of several well-known Thai leading brands and investors coming to Portugal as they valued great market incentive and competitiveness of Portugal. Minor Hotel Group's acquisition of Tivoli Hotels and Resorts in 2016 is one of the best examples. This investment alone creates over 1,400 job opportunities and subsequently bring Anantara Spa, a Thai authentic world-class spa, closer to the Portuguese people. Although the hotel business is interrupted by the pandemic, we still see potential of Portugal and believe that the Portuguese government will bring the situation back to normalcy very soon. On this note, I am very happy to learn that many more Thai companies have been showing interest in investing in Portugal in various sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, Thailand is famous for many things, but one thing I am very proud of is that in December last year, our traditional Thai massage or Nuot Thai has been inscribed in the list of the intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. Nuot Thai is regarded as art, science, and culture of traditional Thai healthcare that helps rebalance the body. This year, the embassy witnessed the strong intention of Thai therapists in Portugal to form a Thai massage association with the aim of bringing to their customers in Portugal good health and wellness while ensuring maximum safeguard and protection of the clients. Ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe that people-to-people relations form the most important foundation of any bilateral relations. We wish to express our appreciation to the Portuguese government and Portuguese people for the warm welcome extended to the 1,300 Thai citizens living and working in Portugal. I am also happy that Thailand is ranked first in terms of the most visited destination in Asia for Portuguese travelers. We hope that this trend will continue as the global pandemic situation evolves positively and Thailand progressively reopens its borders. In this regard, the Royal Thai Embassy stands ready to assist all visits to Thailand and to promote exchanges between our peoples in all fields. Allow me to conclude my remark by inviting you to join me in sending best wishes for the happiness and good health of His Majesty King Mahawachiralongkorn พระวชิรเกล้าเจ้าอยู่หัว for the good health and the success of His Excellency Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa, and to the prosperity and long-lasting friendship between the Kingdom of Thailand and the Portuguese Republic. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ For the next program, we request the honor of your company to watch a special message from His Excellency General Prayut Chan-o-cha, Prime Minister of Thailand, on the occasion of the National Day of Thailand, and followed by the virtual exhibition on Passage of Happiness celebrating Thailand's National Day.